In this short video lecture, we are going to demonstrate how to calculate gamma functions of negative arguments. So let's start. So gamma function or gamma values of negative arguments. So we are going to calculate the gamma function of these numbers, negative I have, gamma function of negative 3/2, gamma function of negative 5/2, up to the gamma function of negative 13/2. So to be able to compare these values, you need to remember this. There are two main things that you need just to know so that you be able to do this. One, know that gamma function of x plus 1 or gamma of x plus 1 is given by x gamma of x. So which is the same thing as saying gamma of x is the same as gamma of x plus 1 divided by x. And then number 2, gamma of a half is given by root pi. So these are the two tools that we need will help us to actually to reduce the problems problems at hand. So gamma of negative a half, we are going to make use of this property. So if the same as our x is negative a half, so it will be the same as gamma of negative a half, then plus 1 divided by negative a half. And when you work out this one, you see that this will give us gamma of negative a half plus 1 is a half divided by negative 1/2. And then this is the same as negative. The reciprocal of this one is 2/1 multiplied by gamma of a half, which is the same as negative 2 square root of pi, because gamma of a half is root pi. And then B, gamma of minus 3/2 is the same as gamma of minus 3/2 plus 1, making use of this property, divided by minus 3/2. This is the same as gamma of minus 3 plus 2 is minus a half. And then you divide this one by minus 3/2. Reciprocal of this one will be minus 2/3 times gamma of minus a half. And because we have already found gamma of minus a half, so this is the same as negative 2/3 times negative 2/1 times gamma of a half. I'm just using this one here, which will be negative plus of 4/3. Gamma of a half is root pi. So that is the answer. We get 4/3 root pi. And then next one, we have gamma of minus 5/2 is the same as gamma of minus 5/2 plus 1 divided by minus 5/2, which is the same as the reciprocal of this one will be minus 2/5. Gamma, this will be minus 3/2. And the value of this one, we have already gotten it from the previous step with the same as, so minus 2/5 times this one is minus 2/3 times this one is minus 2/1, then gamma of a half. So this tells us that we'll have negative will be negative. So 2 by 2 by 2 is 8. And then this is 15. Then gamma of a half, which will be minus 8/15. square root of pi. And then D, gamma of minus 7 over 2 will be gamma of minus 7 over 2 plus 1 divided by minus 7 over 2, which is the same as minus 2 over 7. This will give us minus 5 over 2. And we have the previous solution for gamma of minus 5 over 2. So this will be minus 2 over 7 times minus 2 over 5 times minus 2 over 3 times minus 2 over 1, and then gamma of a half. Now, when you multiply this one, so negative, so it will be positive. So 2 times 4, that is 16. 15 by 5, 15 by 7, that is 105. So 105 gamma of a half, which is root pi. So we can see a pattern here. So next one, E gamma of minus 9 over 2 is simply gamma of minus 9 over 2 plus 1 over minus 9 over 2, which will be minus 2 over 9, gamma of minus 7 over 2. And since we know the answer for gamma of minus 7 over 2, so this is just the same as negative 2 over 9 times negative 2 over 7 times negative 2 over 5 times negative 2 over 3 times negative 2 over 1. Then gamma of a half is root pi. So negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it will be negative. And then 2 power 5, that's 32, divided by, so 105 times 9 gives us 945. So 945 root pi. And then F gamma of minus 11 over 2 will be gamma of minus 11 over 2 plus 1 divided by minus 11 over 2, which will be minus 2 over 11 times minus 2 over 9 times minus 2 over 7 times minus 2 over 5 times minus 2 over 3 times minus 2 over 1, then root pi. So when you work out this one, you get, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 negative, so it will be positive. And then, so 2 power 6 is 64. So, and then 945 times 11 gives us 10,395. And then square root of pi. And then G, the gamma of minus 13 over 2 will be actually from what we have been doing before. You can easily know the answer will be negative 2 over 13, negative 2 over 11, negative 2 over 9, negative 2 over 7, negative 2 over 5, negative 2 over 3 times negative 2 over 1, then root pi. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have negative 2 power 7 is 128. And so the other one had 10,395 times 13. That gives us 135, 135, 135, 135, then root pi. Similarly, you can go further and even define gamma of minus 15 over 2, which will just be minus 2 over 15 times minus 2 over 13 times minus 2 over 11 times minus 2 over 9 times minus 2 over 7 times minus 2 over 5 times minus 2 over 3 times minus 2 over 1 root pi. And then you get the answer. So that is how we actually obtain the values of gamma for negative arguments, the multiples of a half. So thank you.